Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. While it's been possible to create Wi-Fi QR codes for some time, iOS 18 has made the process even easier. Instead of manually entering your network name and password, a Wi-Fi QR code offers a convenient and hassle-free way to connect to your network. In this video, I will guide you through the simple steps of creating a Wi-Fi QR code on your iPhone. Let's go. Before you continue, it's important to note that the following steps only apply if you have the new Passwords app, which is introduced in the latest iOS 18 update. To ensure you're using the most recent version, go to Settings, browse to General, and access Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it to proceed with the next steps. To begin, open the Passwords app. If you can't find it on your home screen, use Spotlight Search to locate it quickly. After authenticating with Face ID or your device passcode, navigate to the Wi-Fi category on the main dashboard. Here you'll see a list of all the networks you've connected to, with your active connection at the top. To create a QR code for your active network or any other saved connection, tap on it and select Show Network QR Code. A QR code will be generated instantly, allowing others to scan it directly from your phone for easy and fast connection. While there isn't a dedicated Share or Save button to save and share the QR code, you can easily take a screenshot, crop the QR code, and save it to your Photos app for future use. If your device isn't compatible with iOS 18 or you haven't updated yet, don't worry. There's another method you can use to create a QR code for your Wi-Fi network. Click the tag in the top right corner of this video, or follow the link below to watch a detailed tutorial on the alternative process. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.